right, y'all. So I'm just putting on a new pair of gloves because I washed my chicken. So what you want to do first off is have you some chicken breasts. Honestly, when I took these breasts out the pack, I know that they're breasts. I feel like I just said breasts 9 times, but I felt like they were some really hefty, like too thick, and so I cut them in half. So yeah, get you some chicken breasts, y'all, and I cut them up so that they could go in my little brioche bun all good. And so these mixing bowls I got from Walmart. They're so cool because they came with lids. So I don't know, that really amazed me, and I'm like, oh my god, that's so cute. I wish they were black. Y'all know me, the whole theme in the apartment is like gray, black, you know, very, you know, because that's my favorite color. So anyway, so now this is where we're gonna do the little mixture so that we can let the chicken marinate for a couple of hours, and then when we cook it, it's gonna be all good. So so get you some buttermilk, some hot sauce, and then you're gonna get your seasoning. I'm gonna use some pepper, some onion powder. I'm gonna use some Cajun sauce. The video that I'm inspired by, they use cayenne pepper, but I feel like why not really add some flavor, and a little bit of paprika. So now you're gonna pour this into the bowl. So you know how we do when we cook. We don't really use measuring, but you know, get a good amount just so that all of the chicken can be coated. So I use like a lot of this, almost 1.5. And then you're gonna get some hot sauce. The video, they said they use about 1/4 cup. I use about 1/2 cup, because I just, not even a whole half, I don't think. I don't want it too spicy, but it's all up to you. So I'm gonna use a little less than half. You're gonna pour that into the buttermilk. It's all up to you. Make it as spicy as you want. A little onion powder never hurt nobody. Oop, that was a lot. All right. A little bit more pepper. And then we're gonna hit it up with that paprika. That was a lot of onion powder. Didn't mean that, but we out here. Right? We're gonna stir it all up, guys. We're gonna put the chicken breast in it. So everything should go in there, nice and coated. Okay, and there you go. Your mixture should look like this. Hopefully you see the true color on camera. And we're gonna let our chicken breast sit in here for, I'm gonna go to work and I get up at 6:30, so that's about 6 hours. And yeah, let that marinate so it gets nice and moist.
6 hours later.
That means that my chicken is done marinating. So that was about a good 6 hours, which is cool. So now, once you have that, you're gonna get another bowl. I'm gonna sit that over there real fast. You're gonna get yourself another bowl. And then you're gonna get some flour. All right, so now that you got your flour, gonna put some paprika. Get us some salt. It's just so funny how I say that I don't really want it to be too spicy, and here I am. Got some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. I'm like, I don't want it to be that spicy, but here I am. I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes because the video that I'm following used some, and a little bit of garlic powder. This is basically our batter, our coating for the chicken. So I'm gonna mix that up some more. It's all about what works for your taste buds because we don't got the same taste buds, period. So yeah, looking at it, y'all, so we have our little flour mixture. This is what we're gonna coat the chicken in. So we're gonna put that to the side. And so, as the recipe calls for, you're gonna get you another bowl. And then in here, we're gonna put some salt, some pepper, some brown sugar, and a little bit of paprika. So you're gonna get another bowl after you have your mixture. And in here, I'm gonna use some paprika. The recipe says cayenne pepper, but I don't have any. So I'm gonna put some paprika. You're gonna put in some brown sugar. Some garlic powder. Chili powder. Some red pepper flakes. Then we're gonna mix it around and then put this to the side. It will be coming up in a few. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna get our oil, put on the stove, and make it hot. So, you know, just get you some oil, whatever works for you. Y'all, so my oil is hot now, so I'm gonna take my chicken out of the marinade, and that's where your flour comes in. So I'm actually gonna get like something that I could just like lean it in. So I'm just gonna grab a bowl and I'm gonna just keep it closed just in case I might need that. So you're gonna grab your piece, use your little tongs, and then you're gonna go into your flour mixture and just really coat it in there. Make sure it gets nice and coated in the flour. So this chicken, I know it's gonna be super flavorful because not only we marinated it for a good 6 hours, it smells so good. We even seasoned the flour, and we about to be lit. So to double dip, we're gonna take this next piece. Hit it up. I don't know why I got the extra bowl, just in case. Flip it over. Really get it in there. Just want that whole thing coated in all its goodness. And in the video that I'm following, he did a double dip. So he put it back in the flour, back in the marinade, boom. And then look what he did, boom, go back in there. Double dip action, I'm hyped for this one. Oh yeah, y'all. This box of, oof. Y'all not ready. So I know I need the extra bowl for something. Just sit that in there while I do the rest. Alright y'all, so after you're done frying your chicken and while your oil is still a little hot, you're going to take some of the oil and add that to the bowl of spices that we put to the side already. You're going to coat your chicken in this, and some of the comments I saw said that they've never seen like a oil based mixture coating like this, but it turned out really good, so yeah, never hurts to try. So I'm just taking my sauce, putting a little on the buns, just to moisten my buns. The flavor. I did that. If you guys try out this recipe, please let me know. And if you like these type of videos, please let me know as well, because I definitely have some more coming. But let me know how you feel. And yeah, y'all.